One of the things that I want to talk about App Nation, a takeaway that I saw, and this is kind of, I wrote an article about this today as well. It's this new application creation platform called YAPPER. Have you guys heard about this?
I have not. No.
Okay, it's really interesting. Okay, so I think in everybody who uses Android, who's not a dev, we have this secret desire to be a developer, right? We all have ideas for applications. We want to make these cool applications. We'd love to be a millionaire, all those different things. Now, there's a company out there that's created this thing called YAPPER, Your App Maker, where it's literally, she demoed it for me. Nicole DeMayo from the company, she came to App Nation and demoed it for me, where a person can sit down and go from creation to publishing in the Android market in just a few hours. It's a self-publishing app. Now, I want to be upfront with you. You're not making a game out of it. You're not making a killer, unique app. What you're doing is, if you're a person with content that you want to draw in and use it, to get your voice out there, this is for you. And the other interesting thing was, this is actually a very big advancement for Android developers. This is the first platform that's going to allow in-app purchases on Android through PayPal. So yeah, it's really slick. It's really awesome. What she demoed for me was, I guess, in the business world, and I'm just getting kind of acquainted with this, that if you're going to a conference, or you're going to hear somebody speak, and they have a book, you can go to the site, and they have all these summaries of these books you can get. You can read a summary and kind of know what they're talking about. So this guy put together an application where he drew in all that content, and you could see all the different titles you want a summary for, and then you could buy either the summary, the actual book, and read it on your device, or you could buy the audio of the book and have it read to you. And it was all through PayPal, and it looked like, I have to kind of confirm this, it looked like a native Android app, not just a web app with a button front end. You know what I'm saying? So it was really slick. Where I see the application is this: if you're a housewife that has one of these craft sites, you know what I'm saying, that because these things there are some housewives out there who make a ton of money with these craft sites. I don't know how they do it. It's like paper mache and toothpicks and crap. And they make thousands of bucks a week on it. But they can. I know. But they can go in there. They can point and click, put logos up, type things into a web form, and they hit create, and it publishes within the hour, and they have an application. And the price is right. It costs the lowest you can get is $99. All the bells and whistles are $1,000. I mean, and even $1,000 if you're actually out to create a kick butt application, $1,000 for development, that's not bad, because you're paying a real developer even more. And so I'm calling this App Inventor for the rest of us. App Inventor for people who can't understand the real App Inventor. But what's going to be cool is I'm going to be talking with Nicole DeMayo next week, and we're going to be trying to get an AGTN application out there to kind of draw in all this content, and where you guys can actually interact with us through your phones throughout the week, giving us story ideas, Trevor fail ideas, different things to bring us to a whole new level. And we're trying to get it where you can actually listen to the podcast. I'm sorry, the Droidcast on your device. And so we're going to talk with her about that. We're going to have her on the show at some points to be looking at that. I needed to kind of give a plug there because I was really excited about it because it's democratizing the development process so that a lower level of user can get on there. It's cookie cutter. I'm not making any. I'm not saying.
Yeah, it's definitely for bringing the web to the app. So that you
absolutely.
don't have to type in things in the browser and zoom and figure out the navigation. And deal with a mobile version. That's what it's for. Yep,
I agree. And but it is slick. The transitions were smooth. The in-app workings were smooth. The PayPal layer was seamless. It worked really, really well. And they actually won Best of Show at Macworld a couple of years ago for it. And they were actually a keynote at the demo conference, which is happening in San Francisco at the same time that I was there for App Nation. I think it's a way to again broaden the base of people who could publish on Android, and here's another benefit of it. I hate to say it, but it is a benefit. You can develop once for it, and then you can have an app on iPhone, Android, and BlackBerry, all at once with one development process.
Does that mean we get the Android guy's app on the iPhone? How sweet is that going to be?
Dude, I totally. I'm not gonna lie to you, Holly. I was thinking, what is Scotty Webster gonna say when I ask to put the Android guy's app on the iPhone? Because I'm doing it. I'm totally doing it. You know what I'm saying? Oh man. So go check it out. You know, we're gonna have some more details on that in the coming weeks.